Welcome to Financial Hub. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to link Google verification to your KuCoin account. For that, make sure you open your KuCoin application in your preferred web browser by searching www.kucoin.com login and make sure you are logged into your account. After that, you will be logged into the official homepage of KuCoin account. Now, at this left side, you can see various options. All you need to do is click on the option security. After that, you will be led to this kind of interface. Here you can see two-factor authentication option. And below that, you can see the option Google verification. All you need to do is click on link. Now here they will be sending you a verification code to your email. So make sure you check and enter the verification code. After you type your code, all you need to do is click on next. And after that, you need to open Google Authenticator on your phone. In order to download the Authenticator, you need to use the App Store or Play Store. After the download is completed, you can scan the QR code presented over here. After scanning the code, you will get the authentication code in that application. And after that, you need to type the code in the presented box. And this is how you can link Google verification to your KuCoin account. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel, Financial Hub. Thank you.